We saw how can we use for loop to process list, tuples, set, as well as strings. Now let's see how can you use for loop to process a dictionary. So here is an example of a dictionary which has state name of India, and each state has a key which is a short form or a two-letter keyword which can be used to identify the state. So we are going to use a for loop here. So let's say for key in states, and we are going to print this key. Let's see the output of this program and then I'll explain you. Let's execute our program. Python dictionary processing.py, and here we can see that it has given us a key of each of the state, or a short form or a two-letter word that we have used for each of the state. So here we have a dictionary, and as we know, dictionary is a key value pair. So if you try to use a for loop in the normal way, which we do with other sequences like list or tuples, it's going to give us only the keys. Now, it's okay if we are only interested in two keys, but if we are interested in both key and values associated with those, we cannot use this way of the for loop. We have to use a function on a dictionary. Let's say for key comma value in states dot items. So items is a built-in method which allows us to read one key value pair at a time, and hence it will give us the short form of each state and the value or the state name itself. Now let's print it. We are going to use an string. So let's say key and value. Let's comment this part. Let's see the output of this program. Let's run our program. Python dictionary processing. Now here we can see that we get properly the short form and the state name of the state as per our expectation. So items is a built-in function that we have used which allows us to read one key value at a time from the dictionary, and then we use a for loop to process that dictionary. Now let's say we are only interested in getting the keys from this dictionary, then we can either use this format or we can use a keys method, built-in method on the dictionary. So to do that, let's say we comment this out and let's process for key in states dot keys, and let's print these keys. Let's execute this program. Python dictionary processing, and here we can see that we got the list of the keys as we expected. Now let's see how can we use a for loop to create a new dictionary. So here we have a cities list which has few of the cities of India, and those are repeated. So we are going to create a dictionary which will have a city name as a key and the number of times that city has occurred in this list as a value. So let's say we create a city dictionary equal to empty dictionary for city in cities. We need to check whether the city name exists in the city dictionary or not. If it exists, we are going to increment its value. If it doesn't exist, we will add that city name. So here, if city not in city dictionary, we'll say city dictionary city equal to 1, else we say city dictionary plus or equal to 1. Let's print the entire dictionary, city dictionary. Program python create dictionary.py, and here we can see that our dictionary has its city name and the number of times that city has occurred in that particular list. So this is how we can use a for loop to create or add an element, or we can say the update an element of a dictionary.